Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Kong vs Skullcrawler surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Kong vs Skullcrawler surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it in half just like this. Now I'm going to give it a nice crease down the side here. Then I'm going to take my paper and I want to fold it one more time, so I have a nice crease. Now this way, when I open it up, I actually have two little extra lines that kind of show me where I need to keep all of my details for the middle part. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with Kong first. So I'm going to put Kong right over here. So to begin, let's just make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come back here in like a check mark form. Then I'll draw a line that's going to come down and up for the eye. Next I'll add a couple little lines right here by the eye. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up, almost like an oval shape that's not connected. You want to make a little line right there, and a little hook shape in here for the inside of the nose. Then right here we'll make a little line that just comes down. Starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down and in. Then I'll draw a little line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come up right above the fold. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then I'm just going to bring it in. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down, and I'm going to curve it right around to here, and we're just going to bring it up right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a pointy line with an oval shape for the ear. Now once you have the ear, I just like to make a little hook shape in here for some details. Right here, I'm going to make some pointed lines that are just going to curve back for his hair. And I'll make another one here for his beard, some little zigzag lines. Now, once we're done with Kong, we want to begin with the Skullcrawler. So I'm going to start over here and I'm going to draw the eye. So to make the eye, I'm just going to start by drawing a little line. It's just going to go down and it's going to come back like a check mark. Then we just want to draw a little line that's going to go down and come up. Then we'll add a couple little lines right underneath the eye. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go around, and we're going to come down to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back, and we're going to go up. And I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down nice and long, and that's going to come right to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come back here. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come up and connect to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up, and I'll make another one here, and one more here. I'm also going to make a little line that's going to come right back here. Now on the skull of the Skullcrawler, I'm going to make a big line that's just going to kind of curve around. We're going to add another little line in here. And then we'll make a little kind of curved line right over here. Now, after we have all that drawn out, we want to open it up. Now you can see that we have two halves of our characters, and we have to draw the inside of their mouths. So to start off with Kong, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go over. I'm going to bring it down here. Then I'm going to come up and down. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a long line that's going to come down around his mouth. I'm going to go over and then down here. Now on the inside of his mouth, I'm going to draw two V shapes with a little bit bigger one right here in the front. I'll do the same thing down here. We'll make two kind of upside down triangles with a little bigger one in the front. Then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. We're going to go up and bring it back. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. I'm going to come over. I'm going to go down and then bring it back here. And right here we're going to bring this line up. And I'm going to bring it over. And we're going to connect it up to here. I'll make a little line that comes back here with a couple little curves. And I'm going to add some kind of sharp, really jagged teeth, different sizes all along here. Do the same thing down here, make them different sizes. Then I'm also going to connect this line over here. And we're going to bring this line up and over here. Now for the Skullcrawler's tongue, they have some crazy long tongues. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out. That's going to come up to here. We're going to come down and then back. I'll make another one that's just going to curve around. And we're going to come down and back here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a surprise fold Kong versus the Skullcrawler. When I have it all closed up, we have the two just doing a little face-off. But then once you open it, their mouths are open and they are ready to attack. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.